Welcome to another video, and let's solve the formula of x in this nice algebra problem where we have x to the power 4 plus 4 equals to 0. And if you are just coming to our channel, please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So looking at this problem, so the first thing we're going to do in the first move is, if you have x raised to the power of 4, what I do is if I try to add 4x squared and I subtract 4x squared, though we have 4x raised to the power 2 and plus 4 minus 4x raised to the power 2 equals 0, as 4x squared minus 4x squared cancelled, so we still have x raised to the power 4 plus 4. And from these first three terms of these entries, it can be compressed to x squared plus 2 all raised to the power 2 minus 4x squared equals 0. And so we still have x squared plus 2 raised to the power 2 minus, 4 is 2 squared. Then we have x squared, everything equals to 0. So which we can also write it as x squared plus 2 raised to the power of 2 minus, this becomes 2x, and working under the same square, everything equals to 0. And the next thing is, if this is a square and we have this as b square, which is the difference of the two square, and it gives a minus b, a plus b. So as a is just like x squared plus 2, so we are going to have x squared plus 2 minus 2x for the first one, while the second one is x squared plus 2 plus 2x all equals to 0. And then by letting the first one equals to 0 and the second one equals 0, so we have x squared plus 2 minus 2x equals 0, and the second one is x squared plus 2 plus 2x equals 0. So let's rearrange this. We have x squared minus 2x plus 2 equals 0, and if this is a quadratic equation which is not factorizable, so we can apply the quadratic formula, and where a is 1, b is minus 2, and c is 2. So we are going to plug it in this quadratic formula, which is minus b plus or minus the root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So all these three times we plug it in this, and here we have, b is minus 2, but we have minus already, which is minus minus 2 plus or minus the root of b is minus 2 square minus 4, and we have a which is 1 and c is 2, all divided by 2 bracket 1. And the next thing is we have x equals to, we have this is 2 plus or minus the root of, minus 2 square is 4, and while this is minus 8, all divided by 2. So we have x equals to 2 plus or minus the square root of minus 4 divided by 2. And we have x equals to, this root minus 4. So if you press it in calculator, it gives error. And here is a way to reach. We have this as minus 1 times 4, which is still root minus 4. And this minus 1 is like I square, or you can use j square multiplied by 4. So by separating these two, we have root I square multiplied by root 4. So if square cancels square root, we have ordinary I, and the square root of 4 is a perfect square, which is 2. Then we have 2i, which is the result of root of minus 4. And by replacing it in this, we are going to have 2 plus or minus 2i divided by 2. And indeed, we can factor out 2 and cancel the denominator and numerator. So here we have 1 plus I, so which is the first two solution to the value of x. And let's see how to solve the second one. So we have this as x squared plus 2x plus 2 equals to 0, just rearrangement. Then we have a is 1, b is 2, and c is also 2. So by trying to plug it in the quadratic equation formula, we have minus 2 plus or minus the root of, so we know minus, we have b squared, which is 2, so we have 4 minus, while we have 4 times a times 2, that is still going to be, we are going to have it as 8, then everything divided by 2, so which the whole result becomes x equals to minus 2 plus or minus 2i divided by 2. And by factor out 2, as we did earlier, we have x equals to minus 1 plus or minus I, or you can have I, we have this result like this, or you can say have plus or minus I minus 1 anyhow. And this gives the 4 solutions to the problem we have above. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget again to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. I will see you in the next class. Bye bye.